We're working on a couple of projects in relation to the tornado recovery operations that are going on here. This house in particular, we're taking the siding off of it to replace it. The man who owns this house told us that he's been working on other people's properties, and we're out here today helping him with his property that's been kind of neglected as we went through the process. What we're doing today is sponsored by the Realtor Association of Southern Kentucky. President Angie Klein is here with me, and by the KYR YPN. Jen Swindeman is the chair of the YPN committee this year.
It's amazing that 6-7 months later that we still have recovery work to do here in Bowling Green. However, as you can see, we do, and we're honored that Realtor Association is able to host you guys here at summer meeting. And we want to thank Kentucky Realtors for coming out and participating in our cleanup.
It's amazing what you can get done when you bring a few people, especially some young people, right, Jim?
We're just grateful to have everyone here. We're so thankful for our volunteers, and driving into Bowling Green last night and seeing so much that has already been done for the cleanup effort is amazing, but there are still pockets, there are still places, and we're grateful for the opportunity to help out.
We have been working on disaster relief since December the 11th. We've been out, actually the neighborhood behind our church was hit very, very hard, and we were out there the day of and the 2 weeks after, and then since then, we've moved out into our community. We've housed over 13 families, either by getting them back in their house, finding an apartment, and now we are working on rebuilding. Right now, we're working on 3 homes. We've got some of the realtors from all over Kentucky here today helping us demo the deck on this house, siding on another house, cleaning up at another house that's getting ready to be rebuilt. So that's what we're out here doing today, and we thank the Kentucky Realtors Association for being here.